Can we convert your wired CarPlay system to wireless? Hey guys, welcome back to RSCARPREMIUM. So we are going to introduce our new product, PenPlay. Who can use PenPlay? Which car we can use our PenPlay? Is it a plug and play device? Let me walk through you completely on this particular device on this video. To answer the first question, who can use PenPlay? If you are having a company system where you have only wired CarPlay, you can convert it to wireless CarPlay or wireless Android Auto. Or else if you have a top-end systems like an Alpine or a Sony or a Pioneer which has only wired CarPlay, you can use this particular device to convert to wireless. The second part is it a plug and play? Yes, it's a plug and play. Just you need to connect to your USB, you get your Bluetooth name, just connect to it, it will convert to wireless. Let me unbox the PenPlay and show you what all accessories we get in PenPlay. So on PenPlay, what we get is you get a pen drive kind of a device which will be connected to your USB. Then you get an USB to C converter we get, then USB to USB, because many cars comes with an USB to C converter directly. Some people you get it USB to USB, so we give both kind of wiring to it. So what is the benefit of using PenPlay? So when you have connected through your maps with a wired CarPlay and you get a call which has to be taken personally, so what you will be doing is you will be removing from the wire the device. So what happens is the maps gets disconnected. Now he'll be talking in the call until he comes, you have to just go blindly. So if you have a wireless CarPlay, the maps will be keep continuing and you can take your call personally through your phone. That is the benefit of PenPlay. So this PenPlay device will work as the same it was working in your wired CarPlay. It will be the wireless. So if you guys wanted to buy this product, please visit RSCARPREMIUM.